Hello everyone, so I'm here with this amazing book review for all-in-one guidebook for CBSE Class 10 for your 2024 examination by Oswal Gurukul. Okay. Now this book includes English language and literature, Hindi A and Hindi B, mathematics, science and social science as well. Let me read to you the key features of this book. It is updated according to the latest curriculum for 2024 examination. It includes NCERT questions also for practice, suitable for all the students of varied academic caliber. मीन्स इसमें टफ़ वाले क्वेश्चंस भी है, जो 1% टफ़ वाले क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो भी है, सिंपल क्वेश्चंस, ऑल द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. इंक्लूड्स लेटेस्ट सॉल्व पेपर्स एंड टॉपर्स आंसर्स एज वेल, कि हमको आंसर्स कैसे लिखने हैं, तो टॉपर्स किस तरीके से आंसर लिखते हैं कि उनको मार्क्स अच्छे मिलते हैं, वो भी इंक्लूड किया गया है यहाँ पे. हियर यू हैव योर मल्टीपल चॉइस questions, case based questions, passage based, competency based questions, everything is included. Okay, so let's begin. So if you see the content part, then you will understand कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज और लिटरेचर में क्या क्या है. मैं थोड़ा नज़दीक ले आती हूँ. ठीक है, तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में फैक्चुअल पैसेज, डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज, लेटर्स, एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ्स, ग्रामर, फर्स्ट फ्लाइट प्रोज and first flight poetry, everything is included. Okay, now in Hindi A, अपठित बोध, व्यवहारिक व्याकरण, क्षितिज, कृतिका एंड लेखन. लेखन में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं यहाँ पे, वो भी मैं आपको बता दूंगी, तो उसके लिए हम अलग वीडियो बनाएंगे. हिंदी बी में भी अपठित बोध, व्यवहारिक व्याकरण, स्पर्श, संचयन और लेखन. तो जिसकी ये टेक्स्ट बुक्स है क्षितिज और कृतिका, उसके लिए भी ये हेल्पफुल है. और कुछ स्टेट्स में स्पर्श और संचयन होता है, तो दोनों ही चीज़ें हैं इधर इसमें इंक्लूडेड. मैथमेटिक्स में यू हैव ऑल योर नंबर सिस्टम, ऑल द चैप्टर्स ऑफ अलजेब्रा. इन ज्योमेट्री you have both triangles and circles, trigonometry, every topic is there, introduction to trigonometry and applications as well. Lots of questions on this are included. Then you have mensuration. In mensuration they have taken both the chapters, areas related to circles and surface areas and volume. Then statistics and probabilities. Then for science you can see chemical substances, nature and behavior, all the 4 chapters. World of living, all the 4 chapters. Natural phenomena, light और human eye दोनों ही इसमें included है. Effects of current, natural resources. Now in social science you can see India and the contemporary world 2. Then in section 1 events and processes, section 2 livelihoods, economics and societies, section 3 everyday life, culture and politics, and then contemporary India 2. So in this you can see all the 4 chapters: resources and development, forest and wildlife resources, water resources, agriculture. Then you have minerals and energy resources, manufacturing of industries, lifelines of national economy. Democratic politics 2, power sharing, federalism. इसमें बहुत अमेजिंग वीडियो है अपना चैनल पे, यू कैन सी. आई विल गिव यू द लिंक इन द आई बटन ऑफ ऑल दिस. फेडरलिज्म, gender, religion and caste, political parties, outcomes of democracy. Then you also have economics here, development, sectors of the Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy, and consumer rights. So right now I'll just show you one. Okay, तो हम let's see English, some English chapter. Let's see here. तो फर्स्ट फ्लाइट पोइट्री का अगर हम देख लेते हैं तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं. द आंसर्स आर देयर डाउन. देन यू हैव शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. तो now if you see the prose part of it, let's see chapter 1 letter to God. So here you can see there are multiple choice questions. Then now assertion reason based questions are there, reference to context questions are there. Then you can see short answer type questions along with beautiful answers, and then long answer type questions. See, so these way they have covered everything. So I'll make a separate video for math, science and everything, so that you will be able to see that how precisely they have given. If you see in mathematics, they have given the full solution along with diagrams, relevant diagrams, everything is there. The archive type of questions are also there. So overall, a very good buy. I will give you the link of this book in the description below. Also, there's this amazing feature of testing yourself with oswald.io. So it's the first time ever type of a thing where you can create your own test papers just in 2 minutes, right? You can select the chapters that you have prepared, click on create a test, pick the timer, write the equations using an editor. There's a very good software here, and then you get your result immediately on your email. So an amazing way to prepare for your exams. So a big thumbs up from Zenith Academy Online for all-in-one guidebook for CBSE Class 10 by Oswal Gurukul.